How do you grab information from the keyboard? Is using cin. Now here's the funny part. It's actually the same command for any of the data types that we're allowed in C++ except for string. We'll get to that, but notice string's not in that bunch. Numbers, characters, stuff like that, it's in that bunch. So it's the same command, but you need to make sure that frankly you put in, well, let me put it this way. If you declare it to be a short int, you better be putting a short int into that particular cin or variable. If you declared it as an integer, you better make sure that you're not trying to type in the string because it's going to blow up. And we'll cover that here a little bit later when we get to validation, but just cin is all you need. That's the good news. I can't remember for Python, I think it was pretty simple too. In Java, it's a little bit more difficult. But anyway, so here's your overall setup with our marriage of couts and cins. Again, very similar to what you had in Python and Java. But again, cin, age, I better be putting in an integer. Okay? If I put in a string or a float, it's going to do something nasty. So just a heads up when we get into, that's why it's super important to make sure you make a good decision about not just your variables and the data types, but also their names. Please don't name them like these, okay? Please, please, please. So just a heads up on how to gather information. It's going to be real simple for now using cin, and it won't be too bad once we start using strings.